As a choreographer and theatre director, I'm on the go all day.
I work, network, and meet a lot.
I want to really show them what you want to achieve with the movie.
Create better content that I share as a designer.
I'm really excited for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. I'm going to have a look at the new OPPO
Find
X2
Pro.
Find X2 Pro.
Very excited by this box. Let's get the phone out.
I'm seeing a huge screen, which I'm super excited about.
Yes, this looks really good.
It's a good size, it fits on my hand perfectly.
I can just hold it in my hand, selfies perfect. Also, I'm seeing 3 cameras.
I think that's one of the features that I'm really excited about.
Really looks like a zoom lens. This really looks like a wider lens.
Let's see what else is in here. Ooh.
Here's the charging cable as well. Super VOOC. This one is going to charge it pretty fast.
The phone is 512 gigabytes storage. That's even more than in my computer that I'm using at the moment.
It looks good. I want to check out the camera straight away. This is going to be so useful for me.
I'm really excited. Let's get started.
When I go for location visits, I can document anything. It has the night mode, it's ultra wide, anti-shake. The microphone is working really well with the 3D sound.
I've been using this phone all day, and it's crazy to see that the battery is 90% right now. That means that I am able to react to emails, do phone calls all day, every day.
I love the wraparound screen. Beautiful lines. I'm going to be able to use the whole screen service to see the picture as large as possible.
I'm here to look at some samples for a wall lamp I'm going to launch. I'm going to use several materials of recycled plastic and recycled acrylics. I'm very curious how the macro function works with the camera, because I've taken pictures. I want to make sure that I can also take it back home so I can continue working with it.
I realized the whole day I've been using this and I didn't need to charge it, so the battery life is really good.
The images I share represent the quality of my business. And just to be able to shoot pictures of high quality on your phone is awesome for the daily vlogs.
Screen resolution can even be higher. We can make it extra HD, so let's go for the maximum performance.
This camera is working really well for me. It works to really get the client there where you want them to be and that you really show them what you want to achieve with the movie.
I'm quite impressed by the quality of the images that I took today. I'm really looking forward to take the pictures and also share them online.
The camera function is really beautiful. I'm very happy with this.
This phone will definitely help me to step up into a new level of entrepreneurship.
And this is a big luxury for me. I got the full package in there.